Hello, welcome to this video. And on today's video we are going to see how can you be able to host a static website on S3. So first thing first, you log in onto your AWS console. So you go to aws.amazon.com and then sign in. So this is a AWS service that enables you to host a static website here on S3, and it's the same as using the GitHub pages. So I have used GitHub page to host a website. You can see, let me show you a simple example. I used. I hosted a simple example on I can't remember the name, so yeah, this is the website. So this website is hosted on GitHub, and you can see also here on the URL. Now let's host the same website on S3. So we search for the same website. So this is the code, the whole code for the website. We will just copy it and paste it in IDE. We post it in IDE or just download from this site, then post it. So the first thing first, we log into this S3. I know S3, this user has the permissions to use S3. So we create an account, create a bucket, and we name it as loan calculator. Then we give it a name. We are hosting it on US East 1. Then we uncheck this block public access because we want people to access the thing. They access the website. For encryption, we just use S3 encryption. Then we create the packets. Okay, somebody has already used this name. So the S3 name should always be unique worldwide. That is a point to note, and you can see by example. So we acknowledge this, and by default you should not uncheck that part for block public access. You should not do that, just only for the website thing. So we upload the file for the website. So we go to our GitHub and copy the code. So let us copy the code. We open our VS Code. Let me just use the terminal. This one is a bit faster. make a directory on the terminal on the download folder, and we say it's a run calc. Then we make a HTML page. We will call it index.html. We also call a script.js, and we call a style.css, and then press enter if I made a mistake. I didn't cd into my folder, but no problem. What is happening? We paste our code that we copied. So this is the code for index.html. We just copy it. We go to our Vim and we paste. Then we save. To save, you escape, you write semicolon, then WQ. Then we do for the script part. We go to the GitHub page and we copy the script code. I generally use ChatGPT to write the code to solve a problem I was having. So this name will bring an error, but we will create that. We will solve the error. So we copy the code and then we paste it. To paste it, you press I, then you Control V. Okay. Oh my god. I pasted the wrong code. So we go to GitHub and copy. Yeah, it's copied. We paste. To paste, you press I, then you Control V, something. Yeah, that is the JavaScript. We save. To save, you write WQ to save. Then we do the same for CSS. Go to GitHub. We locate the CSS style for the thingy, and we copy. Copied. Insert, Control V, escape, WQ to save. Now we have our website there. It's good. So we have a problem in index.html, so I want to solve that first, then we do the hosting. I think nothing will affect it because the JavaScript is here on the body, so no problem. Nothing will affect. So let's save and now upload this index.html onto S3. So this is our S3. We upload, we add file, we stored it somewhere here. We stored it in our lone calculator, so we select it there. So this is the folder and this is the file that we want. We click upload, then we press upload. Now our file is uploaded, so we go back to our bucket, circle on, we go to permissions. So first of all, before we go to permission, we go to edit and enable the static web hosting. And something to note, you must write here your index.html so that it can locate it. Then we press save changes. Then we go to permission and we paste our bucket policy, which I have shared in the documentation. So we copy and paste. Okay, before you must press the edit button. So it's a good way of hosting the website. This one is taking so long, but we have it now. So now you replace here resource with your bucket name. And my bucket name is this circle-ons. So my thing has an error. Let's use ChatGPT to solve it. So remember on your policy to add the principal thingy. So the bucket policy is already done. So let us go into our object and see. So this is the URL. Let's copy it and see what we will get. Finger crossed we will see something. Yeah, it's loading. And now we have hosted a website on S3. You can see it here. Zaco S3 Amazon. Yeah, but it's taking a lot of time to load, but it's the first time. I'm very happy. Wow. So that is how you can be able to host a website. If a website on S3, if you don't know how to host on GitHub, I will also, you can comment down below. I teach you on how to do it. So this is the same website on GitHub. It load much faster. On Amazon, this is the first time we are getting it, and also it's hosted very far. Yep, that is how to do it on GitHub and also on S3. Yeah, it's loading faster now, and we see whether the JavaScript was loaded. Let's see. But generally, that is how we do it. Yeah, the JavaScript is loaded and the CSS. So that is how we do it. Thank you and good night. See you tomorrow.